Namaskarams, I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. The topic of this video is how is Tamil Nadu state different from other states? This topic is discussed here to highlight the differences and not to pass on the judgment. We leave the listeners to conclude based on these differences. So there are many differences between Tamil Nadu and other states, but here we take 5 major areas, and they are politics, language, education, infrastructure, and industries. Let us look at politics. This is the major difference between Tamil Nadu and other states. Tamil Nadu is ruled by 2 regional parties for more than 50 years. National parties did not have any big say, did not have any voice in Tamil Nadu in the last 50 years. And both the regional parties, that is Dravidian parties, have their high command in Chennai. They need not look at Delhi or any other place to take the decisions. So they are fast and swift in taking any political decisions. And both the parties have more or less similar ideology in terms of serving the state. Now, whenever they fight with the central government, they have more or less, they join together and fight for the welfare of the people of this particular state. For example, you take the 2-language formula or the present NEET problem, both the parties are on the same side of the coin. And their common enemy in this case is the central government. And irrespective of the number of seats they win in the election, the opposition party is always vocal in representing the welfare of the people. This is very contrary to other states. So, this is the major difference of Tamil Nadu compared to other states. Second area is language. Here Tamil is the official language, and people study Tamil and English. Hindi is not very prevalent, and in government schools Hindi is not taught, and Hindi is considered to be not a requirement by majority of the people in the state, and because of which Tamil and English are learnt very thoroughly and in depth, which makes them saleable in any other part of the world other than Tamil Nadu. The students are very strong in English and the local language Tamil compared to the students of other states. And the third important area is education. Tamil Nadu has got maximum number of educational institutes. Here the gross enrollment ratio is more than 50%, much higher than many other states. In terms of number of engineering colleges and the number of engineering seats or number of medical seats, it is the second highest next to Maharashtra. And Tamil Nadu is the only state, is the first state to introduce noon meal scheme for the school children, and which was followed by many other states at a later point of time. And here the number of girl students studying in school and colleges are very high. Similarly, the job goers is more in Tamil Nadu, particularly females who go for jobs in organized sector is on the higher side compared to many other states. And if you look at the state, more than 54% of the people live in the urbanized area. So because of which there was a setback on farming too in most parts of the state. Let us look at the third area, infrastructure. If you look at infrastructure, we can look at the transport. Road transport is one of the best in the country, and it is the cheapest in the country. Similarly, the airports, we have 7 airports in this state. Similarly, there are 3 major seaports and 15 minor seaports. And then the coastal line is about 1,000 kilometers for the state. And the railway lines also are linking almost all parts of the state. The last mile connectivity is very good compared to many other states. Let's look at another area where the major difference is the industries. In terms of industrial production, Maharashtra tops the list and Tamil Nadu comes next. But in terms of the number of industries, Tamil Nadu tops the list because of SSIs and MSMEs. And this is a major difference. And most of the SSIs and MSMEs are labor intensive, so the employment opportunity is very high in this particular state. And one more area where Tamil Nadu is quite different from other places is that it has got many hill stations and many temples, because of which tourism flourishes in this state much better than other states. These are the major differences as I see for Tamil Nadu compared to other states. I hope this video is informative to you all. If you like this video, please share it, and then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.